Maraming netizens ang namangha sa new hairstyle ni Kim Chiu na ipinamahagi niya ngayon sa social media. Kamakailan lang ay ipinagdiwang ni Kim Chiu ang kanyang kaarawan noong April 19. Nag-post siya ng mga kamanghamanghang bagong larawan sa kanyang Instagram account para sa espesyal na araw na ito. Nagbahagi si Kim ng ilang magagandang larawan na kuha ng photographer na si Duki Dukay. Ginamit niya ang kanyang birthday post hindi lamang para ipakita ang kanyang mga kamanghamanghang larawan kundi para magbahagi rin ng saloobin. I believe that everything happens for a reason. People change so that you can learn to let go. Things go wrong so that you appreciate them when they're right. You believe lies so you eventually learn to trust no one but yourself. And sometimes, good things fall apart so better things can fall together. Another year, another reason to make things right and just enjoy life itself. Hashtag feeling grateful. Hashtag feeling blessed. A year older, braver, stronger, smarter, wiser. Thank you for remembering my special day. And thank you for all the lovely, heartwarming greetings you sent me here on social media and through personal messages. It made my heart smile a little extra today. Ang caption ni Chinita Princess Kim Chiu sa kanyang Instagram post. Mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para sa mga susunod na video updates. Maraming salamat po!